Welcome everyone. I am Ajay Kumar from Mechanical Engineering. I am here to present my topic on Tech Talk Thermodynamics. My topic is Energy Management for Atkinson Cycle Engine Based Parallel Hybrid Engine. Contents: what is hybrid electric vehicle? History and types of hybridization, types of hybrid electric vehicles, parts of it, advantages and disadvantages, and its future scope. First of all, what is HEV? Means hybrid electric vehicle. A hybrid car is any car that uses both electricity and fuel injection in order to run. The first photo shows a conventional, means a normal car run by fuel, and the second one is a car run by battery, means electric car, and combination of these both is called hybrid electric vehicle. History of hybrid electric vehicle. In 1830s, battery electric vehicle invented by Thomas Davenport, Robert Anderson, others, using non-rechargeable batteries. In 1890s, electronic vehicles outsold gas cars 10 to 1. Oldsmobile and Studebaker started as electric vehicle companies and run very good business. In 1904, Krieger's company builds first hybrid vehicles. In 1910, mass-produced Ford cars undercut hand-built electric vehicles. Electric vehicles persist as status symbols and utility vehicles until Great Depression. Types of hybridization: mild or micro hybridization. They feature ideal stop function, regenerative braking, are not capable of using the electric motor to propel the vehicle. These systems are usually 42 volts or less. And second one is medium hybridization. They feature ideal stop function, regenerative braking, and most are not capable of using electric motor alone to propel the vehicle. The electric motor usually assists the engine. Battery voltages are about 144 to 158 volts. And third one is full hybridization. They feature ideal stop function, they feature regenerative braking, and most are also capable of using the electric motor alone to propel the vehicle. The electric motor also assists the engine. Battery voltages are around about 200 to 300 volts. Types of hybrids. Series hybrid. The fuel tank goes to the engine, but the engine turns a generator. Then the generator can either charge the batteries or power an electric motor that drives the transmission. The gasoline engine does not directly power the car. Parallel hybrid. It has a fuel tank that supplies gas to the engine like a regular car. It also has a set of batteries that run an electric motor. Both the engine and electric motor can turn the transmission at the same time. Series parallel hybrid. Series parallel type, also called power split hybrids, more beneficial than above hybrid. Most of the latest vehicles based on this hybrid are manufactured. Now, parts of hybrid electric vehicle. First of all, main one is engine. It's much same as other vehicles engine, but the size of hybrid electric vehicle engine is small and it's more fuel efficient. There are two types of engine mostly used in HEV vehicles: petrol engine and diesel engine. Second one is battery. That's why we call it as hybrid. It stores the energy generated from gasoline engine or during regenerative braking from the electric motor. There are three types of batteries used in HEV vehicles. First one is lead acid, which is of 2.2 volts, and or nickel cadmium, which is of 1.2 volts, or lithium ion battery, which is 3.7 volts. Electric motor. It's power the vehicle at low speed and assist the gasoline engine when additional power is needed. Most of the electric machines used in hybrid vehicles are brushless DC motors. Fourth one is controller. The controller is used to charge the battery or to supply the power to electric motor. It converts battery DC to a chopped DC power. Can chop in amplitude or frequency. Power is based on low voltage input signal from 4 to 20 milliamperes or 0 to 5 volts. Generator. It converts mechanical energy from engine into electrical energy, which can be used by electric motor stored in battery. It's also used to start the gasoline engine instantly. Advantages of a hybrid electric vehicle are savings. It can save us money, and it releases low emissions, which is eco-friendly, and it does not create noise pollution. It has reduced noise pollution, and it does not cost much for maintenance, means low maintenance, and it is safe to drive. Disadvantages are hybrids are more expensive than non-hybrids. Hybrids, in regards to a car accident, have a much higher risk of exploding because it has a combination of gasoline and ethanol. Sometimes they can be pretty ugly. Parts can be very expensive to repair, between $1 lakh and $3 lakh for a battery. Slower than petrol powered cars. Future scope. All the major automobile manufacturers are working on hybrid electrical vehicles. Heavy vehicle like trucks will be used hybrid system in future. Efficiency of hybrid electric vehicle will further increase in future. Safety features will be added in new generation hybrid car or other vehicle. Power of car have to increase in future. Price of vehicle will reduce due to increase in production rate of hybrid electric vehicles. The following image shows us that passenger bus made by Tata, which is a hybrid product. And here comes an end to my presentation. And if you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you.